Alam mo ba that I am the original god of Apex? Ako ang nagtayo ng Apex. And for the love of me, I'm here to reclaim it.
You can't reclaim Apex. We still hold the majority of the stakes.
I am here to go after you, Tanyag people. Don't turn your back on me. No one turns their back on Madame Chantal de Bois.
And no one lays a hand on Giselle Tanyag.
I'm gonna go after you, her! I'm gonna destroy you!
Yada. Puro ka dada, Chantal. If I were you, I'd wash my face because this ink is highly toxic.
Then why didn't you send me an invitation? I'm still a member of the board. And you could have scheduled this event some other time.
I scheduled it on the right date. And can't you take a hint, honey? You didn't get an invitation because I don't like you.
You're really provoking me.
I'm sorry, Chantal. Hindi ako masamang tao. Hindi ko gustong madamay ka sa ginawa kong pagganti kay Morgana. Pero hindi ko hahayaang lamunin ako ng konsyensya ko. I did it for my family. At alam ko na maiintindihan mo yun. Kasi, ganun ka din naman magmahal sa pamilya mo. Repose en paix, Madame Chantal.